on the floor. Just keep it on that towel. Now, what's wrong with the lavender? It just doesn't stretch,
it does
right?
not stretch.
Let me see it.
Should I add lotion to this?
Oh, it
and see
just
what
breaks.
happens? Yeah.
And we can't figure out what we did wrong, huh? Too much borax or?
Maybe, I don't know. Okay, so if your slime's not stretchy, add lotion. This is extras.
If your slime's not stretchy, add lotion.
Add
Got
lotion, but we already tried to add lotion, so that's not working. To this slime, so that slime is broken.
Okay. And we did use some shaving cream in which one?
Yeah, we did.
All of them?
Yeah. We didn't use all of the shaving cream.
We just used Elmer's school glue, shaving cream, and a borax mixture with water right there that's in that bowl. And they kind of added, as they feel it, Lyric's adding a little lotion to possibly make hers more stretchy.
And a nice fact, when you're making slime, put your hair back. So
yeah, so that it doesn't dip into the stuff.
There we go. Let's see. Let's see how it goes. It works a little bit.
Is it softer feeling?
Yeah, it feels a little bit more light.
Okay. What you got, girl? Making a bubble? Let me show the people.
Yeah.
Now that that was our best. Okay, let me see. That was our best slime, the girls' best slime, and they think that it was less borax solution. They're thinking is what made it cool.
Oh. Aw. Oh, and we also got.
We have glitter if you want.
We also got metallic.
Are you guys gonna do
Elvis
metallic?
Yeah,
metallic,
I want to do the metallic next. Yeah, next we're doing the metallic. Wait, now we're just playing with slime. It's actually good now. But a good thing about this slime, it doesn't stick. You poke it, and you can play drums with it. So
Wow.
I can throw this one away.
Wow. Okay, don't. All right, we'll make a part two. We'll make a part two right after this.
It's stretchy.
Oh, it started to stretch. How come?
I don't know.
It was breaking before.
Wait, maybe because I'm kneading it.
You needed it. Look at that. It's working now. Before it was breaking and now it's stretching. How awesome is that? So maybe a little heat, kneading, or what?
And also
What's the
another
deal?
fact, don't add your puffy balls after. Because they don't stay in.
They don't stay in. So add them while you're mixing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Add them while you're doing the borax.
All right. Okay, we're going to send you part two right after this.
Bye.
Thank you, YouTube world. Lyrics likes.
We'll do a part two
with metallic.
And we'll show you how to make the slime. So, bye.
Okay. Bye, Lyric and Brooklyn.
Bye.
Bye-bye.